Peristaltic hose pumps are sealess and therefore have a lower risk of pollution, making it the perfect pump for cyanide dosing.
So this is a topic that is of concern to, I think, every industry globally, and mining is no different. Let's talk about the environmental impact.
This is a big one, you're right. This is a key concern for mining. For example, cyanide is used in mineral recovery for gold recovery, but cyanide has many dangerous environmental concerns. It pollutes the land around the plants, leading to contaminated water supplies, resulting in the killing of water life. Um, Progressive cavity pumps have historically been used for dosing cyanide. However, the integral design of these pumps with the seals present a clear leakage risk. Peristaltic hose pumps are sealess and therefore have a lower risk of pollution, making it the perfect pump for cyanide dosing.
The last point is an eternal quest that I think every mining operation constantly strives towards, and that is reducing maintenance costs and downtime. Can you expand on that?
Sure. Many slurries are highly abrasive and corrosive. Traditional centrifugal slurry pumps with impellers require expensive and frequent replacement, often with impellers using exotic materials. Peristaltic hose pumps, on the other hand, only use a hose that comes in contact with the fluid. With Sepro's range of elastomer-lined hoses, the service life of the pumps is now measured in months or years rather than days or weeks, and hoses can be replaced in situ. Downtime costs are minimized, and the elastomer used in the peristaltic hose have been proven over years in the mining industry. They can get hold of me at alfred.hearnshaw@seprosystems.com. They can follow me on LinkedIn, and they can also follow us at Sepro LinkedIn page, please.